Oil prices surged to a 5-month high after the United States joined Israel in conducting airstrikes on Iranian nuclear sites. Brent crude spiked above $81 per barrel during intraday trading before settling around $77.70, while US benchmark WTI crossed $75.50. The sudden escalation triggered immediate concern across global markets about potential supply disruptions, particularly through the Strait of Hormuz, a vital channel for nearly 20% of the world's seaborne oil. The market reaction was sharp and swift. The CBOE Oil Volatility Index nearly doubled to over 71, reflecting the highest fear levels in more than 3 years. Analysts warned that if Iran retaliates or if the Strait of Hormuz becomes compromised, Brent crude could skyrocket to $100 or even $130 per barrel depending on the severity of the disruption. This conflict-driven rally in oil prices has raised red flags for global inflation. Import-dependent nations may soon feel the heat through higher fuel costs and an uptick in consumer prices. For markets, the event has reintroduced geopolitical risk premiums that could affect everything from equities to bonds to currency stability. Despite the oil price hike, global stock markets showed mixed reactions. While energy stocks saw gains, broader indices faced pressure due to rising inflation concerns and fear of stagflation. The United States saw its benchmark indices open lower, while in Europe, there were warnings about rising fuel prices and consumer stress. Geopolitical tensions have once again proven to be a key market-moving factor. If tensions ease diplomatically, prices may stabilize. However, any further military engagement, sanctions, or retaliatory moves could keep oil elevated for weeks or months. In summary, oil markets have entered a volatile phase following coordinated US and Israeli attacks on Iranian nuclear sites. Price spikes, supply fears, investor panic, and geopolitical calculations are all at play. As the world watches Iran's next move, markets remain on edge, and energy-dependent economies brace for turbulence.